Dash cameras are increasingly becoming indispensable devices for those who travel frequently, not only helping to record the journey, but also protecting the driver in emergency situations. In today's video, we will introduce to you the top 2 best-selling dashcam models today. These are outstanding products with sharp image quality, integrated with many smart features such as recording in low-light conditions and the ability to record continuously without stopping. If you are considering investing in a reliable dashcam, let's explore the details of these 2 products that are widely loved by users. Model 1. Kingslim D64K Dual Dashcam. Wi-Fi and GPS, 4K front and 1080p inside, Type-C Uber car camera with super night vision and 24-hour parking monitor, 3-channel dash cam optional, black. 4K plus 1080 front and inside dash cam. Capture crystal clear high-resolution footage with 2-channel 170-degree wide-angle cameras, including a 4K front-facing camera and a 1080p cabin-facing camera. Optional 3. Channel dash cam. This D6 dual dash cam can be upgraded to a 3-channel camera by separate purchase of the rear camera. You can customize your camera to have a 2-way 4K plus 2K front and rear view, 4K plus 1080p front and inside view, or 3-way 2K plus 1080p front, rear, and inside view according to your needs. Support Type-C charging and 2 installation mounts. Adopts advanced Type-C fast charging interface, which enables faster and more convenient charging and helps to extend the lifespan of the dashcam. Suction cup mount and a 3M adhesive mount included. You can choose the best installation method based on your preference. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Easily access and wireless transfer the recorded videos and photos to your phone by using our free Kingslim app via Wi-Fi and one-click sharing to social media. The included GPS module accurately records driving location, speed, and route for you to view directly on Google Maps using the app, which may be helpful for insurance claims or legal purposes. Superior night vision. Featured with advanced night vision technology that allows this dashcam to capture clear and detailed video footage in low-light conditions. This technology combines software algorithms and hardware components, including 4 infrared lights and a high-quality lens, to produce images and videos even in complete darkness. Model 2. Red Tiger Dash Cam Front Rear 4K/2, 5K Full HD Dash Camera for cars, included 32GB card, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, 3.16 IPS screen, night vision, 170 degrees wide angle, WDR, 24-hour parking mode, 4K plus 1080p dual recording. Red Tiger brings to you F7NP Dual Dash Cam, which records video of up to Ultra HD 4K plus FHD 1080p resolutions. It helps you to read the key details like road signs and vehicle license plates. To reduce the blind areas, it has the front wide angle of 170 degrees and rear wide angle of 140 degrees. This helps you during unexpected circumstances like collision to retain and present evidence. Superior night vision. Red Tiger Driving Recorder adopts an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1, 5 aperture and 6-layer glass, and is equipped with HDR/WDR technology to capture important details clearly under low-light conditions. Wi-Fi Smart App Control. You just need to connect the dashcam to your smartphone app via Wi-Fi, and then you can use the Red Tiger app to view, playback, and manage the dashcam on your iOS or Android devices. You can also download and edit videos in the app. By just one click, you can share your travel experiences and wonderful moments with your friends and family. Dashcam with GPS. Red Tiger Dashcam has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, precise location data. You can track on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our Windows and Mac GPS player, which will provide further additional evidence if an accident occurs. Reliable features for accident recording. Even when the card is full, the Red Tiger Dash Cam will continue recording with its loop recording feature. As soon as the G sensor detects a sudden collision, it locks and saves the collision video. It also has a 24-hour parking monitor available on the dash cam to record continuously for 24 hours with time-lapse recording at parking mode. Please note that a hardware kit is needed. Super after sales. Our greatest pursuit is to satisfy the needs of consumers. Red Tiger Dash Cam is backed by full 18-month assurance and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Email our customer service and we will assist you with any questions or concerns. We also offer 7*24 hours technical support. Please click the subscribe button to not miss any useful videos. Don't forget to like and share if you find this video useful, and leave a comment below to let us know your opinion. Your support is the motivation for us to continue to bring quality content and update the latest technology products.